Think you can score high without hitting the books? Could there be a secret recipe for academic success that doesn't involve hours of traditional studying? The answer might surprise you. So buckle up as we delve into the art of acing tests without burying yourself in textbooks and notes. To begin, consider this. Learning is not a one-size-fits-all process. Some people thrive on textbook reading while others learn more effectively through different methods. The key is to understand your unique learning style and leverage it to your advantage. Are you a visual learner, or do you absorb information better through auditory cues? Perhaps you're a kinesthetic learner who learns best through practical applications. Recognizing your learning style can make the process more efficient and enjoyable. Next on the list is the power of active learning. Passive reading might not be the best way to retain information. Engage with the material instead. Ask questions, discuss concepts with peers, teach someone else, or even debate. Active involvement in the learning process can enhance understanding and memory retention. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of rest. Sleep is not an enemy of learning, but a crucial ally. Numerous studies have shown that sleep helps consolidate memory, enhancing your ability to recall information. So instead of pulling an all-nighter before an exam, ensure you have a good night's sleep. Fourth, the power of association. Link new information to something you already know. The brain loves connections. The more connections you can make between new and existing knowledge, the easier it will be to recall new information. Fifth, practice makes perfect. Regular testing and quizzing can help reinforce learning and improve recall. Don't wait until exam day to test your knowledge. Practice regularly, and you'll be surprised at how much you remember. Lastly, the magic of a positive mindset. Believe in your abilities. A positive attitude can do wonders for your learning and performance. So banish those negative thoughts and believe in your potential to succeed. To recap, scoring high without traditional studying is possible. Understand and leverage your unique learning style. Engage in active learning, get enough sleep, make associations, practice regularly, and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. It's not about cramming information, but understanding and applying it. So the next time you're faced with an academic challenge, remember these tips and watch your grades soar.